Hello mga kasample. Okay, this is time my breakfast. Okay, anak ko breakfast ko man is only like this. Okay, and chai, chai siya with milk and leaves. Okay, dili ko maglabutang ng sugar because I always eat chocolate na and donut. I have more maybe sugar. So, di na ko muli kay likay ta sa sugar na totally sugar. Okay, if you are OFW, right, you know, sa to breakfast, mostly, na not mga breakfast is like this only, right? This is, here in Middle East is, patayar. Sa ato sa Pinas, not, maybe this is not pan, this is not pizza also, same pizza siya, but not pizza. But in know, okay, if you are OFW, not necessary you eat breakfast rice, okay? Because kung maglungag pa ka, why not? Magluto ka ng egg, whatever, di ba, lutuin mo, okay ra, no problem, but di ba makapoy na. So, i-relax mo na lang para, di ba, it's already kaon na magyapon ni, okay? Mahaw ta.